The next compound of sodium is sodium hydroxide, NaOH or caustic soda. It is prepared by the electrolysis of brine, the NaCl's aqueous solution, in a very special cell which is called Kastner-Kellner cell. In this, the cathode is of mercury and the anode is of carbon. Now what happens in this is, the NaCl solution which we are having, aqueous NaCl solution, from there what we get is sodium ions, which approaches a cathode, combines with the mercury of the cathode and forms sodium amalgam. Now what we do is, we recover NaOH from this sodium amalgam. How? By reacting this sodium amalgam with water, which forms NaOH, mercury and hydrogen. So this is how from sodium amalgam actually the NaOH, the caustic soda, is obtained. On the other hand, the chloride which is actually been coming out from the sodium chloride brine solution goes to the anode, where it gets oxidized to chlorine gas. So we get chlorine gas at anode and a sodium amalgam combination in cathode, which on reaction with water gives us caustic soda. It's a white colored translucent solid. Melting point is 591 Kelvin. It's a deliquescent solid, absorbs moisture and becomes wet. And its aqueous solution is strongly alkaline, basic in nature. It is used as a lab reagent. It is used in creating basic medium. It is used in the preparation of glass and many other compounds. It is used in industrial like paper pulp industries, textile industries, so etc. So it has various diversified uses, and it is one of the very it is used in the preparation. That is how it is we call it soda. It is used in the preparation of detergents also. So it has very different and diversified uses also.